Good morning, everyone. My name is Shah. Welcome to the channel. It is August 24th, 8:24. Shout out to the legendary Kobe Bryant. And today I want to start this video by saying mentality is what it takes to reach financial independence. The mindset to never give up. The ferocity to be the best version of yourself. To put in the work when no one else is watching. Ironic because I'm sending this video to you, but if you're watching it, please take that and really resonate with it. Your desire to succeed is what you do when people are not looking, all right? That means a lot of people, for example, are the ones who invested in the bear run. No one was looking when you invested in the bear run, were they? But now everybody's looking when it's in the bull market, right? So my advice to people getting in cryptocurrency is, first, get your head straight. Make sure you're mentally ready for the volatility that cryptocurrency is, for the rewards that you may gain or the huge losses that you may be getting involved with. Because when you're in a bull run, I recommend you sell in a bull run. And if you buy during a bear run, during a bear market, hold long term. Dollar cost average, and don't put anything that you cannot afford to lose into the market. I'm not saying that that's what I've done in the past. I put most of my money earned into crypto, but that's because I believe in it. That's because I'm a technologist. That's because I believe in NFTs. That's because I believe it's the future of cryptocurrency. But I'm not out here telling you guys to put your life savings. I know people have families to take care of. I have 2 twin boys. I understand that. But I'm saying the best thing you can do for your children, for your family, to build generational wealth is to invest. Whether it's in crypto or another opportunity, that's for you to decide. Not everybody gets the same opportunities, but cryptocurrency is the people's money. And institutional investors are now getting very involved because they have seen the market cap past $1 trillion, come under $1 trillion, and past $2 trillion. That's absolutely insane. If we 5x our market cap, we're talking about a market cap bigger than gold. Bitcoin by itself could get a market cap bigger than gold. But the ecosystem altogether, in my opinion, is inevitable that it will pass the market cap of gold with NFTs, with DeFi, with Bitcoin. That will be where people want to hold their money. Once ETFs are introduced, that's where people will want to hold their money. So to you today, I say, make sure you do your due diligence. Make sure you're ferocious in everything you do, that you're the best in everything you do. Do not half bleep life. You have a higher potential. Do not exchange all your time for money. There are 3 levels of wealth. Exchanging time for money. Level 2 is making money while you sleep. And level 3 is creating a team to accomplish common goals to reach something greater. To each their own. But remember, none of these are easy. Everybody loves Kobe. Kobe was the hardest working. But I'm sure there was a lot of hard times Kobe went through. I'm sure there's a lot of difficult times, 4 a.m.s, 2 a days, 3 a days, 4 a days, 5 a days. How much do you care about your financials? How much do you want to be financially independent? Do you have a 401k? Do you have a full-time job? Do you work for yourself? Are you unemployed? What is your source of income? What is your future? Do you have a family? Only you can answer these questions. And remember, you may not have the skills today. You may not have the mindset today, but you can change that whenever you want. If you're gaining value from this video, smash that like button and click that bell button so you receive time-sensitive information. And let me know how you feel about my mindset mentality conversations, because I think it is so important. You don't know how many times I've helped a group of friends or colleagues, and depending on when they got into crypto, They either feel amazing, or they don't know what's going on with the market, or they're asking a billion questions. And that's why I created this channel, because there's questions to be answered. But it all comes back to mentality. If you know you're going to succeed and you do your due diligence, you will manifest success. I promise you that. If you agree with that, smash that like button. But guys, what do you think of the crypto market? We're in a bull run. Are we in mass adoption phase, and is there nothing to worry about? Or will this bull run end soon? And should we have a strategy to retain our gains? Should we be putting money into stable coins? That is something that you have to take day by day. And you have to watch the institutional money. You have to see where people are moving their money. And with cryptocurrency, with blockchain technology, you can do that. You can absolutely do that. So I just wanted to say, guys, thank you for your time. Nothing's more important than your time except your money. Remember to have that mentality to succeed. And I'll see you next time with some more gems.